Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an insect. Known for its wood-eating habits, generally not human-friendly due to its potential to cause damage to structures. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as termite, termite, mite, termite. Termites are known for their complex social structures within colonies, including a division of labor among workers, soldiers, and reproductive individuals, and their role in breaking down cellulose in the environment. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about termites, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.